फोटो ले लेगा
ये फुल वीडियो
वीडियो ಬೇಕಾ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಇಂದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಪೂರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೋಟೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ
Please cooperate with the sir and on behalf of all, I am welcoming sir to
विश्व चेतना पार्टी विश्व चेतना व्यक्ति चेतना मीन्स individual as an individual I am such person I have this one this degree I belong to this family these are my brothers sisters father mother this is व्यक्ति चेतना विश्व चेतना मीन्स I am a soul I am a soul I am not born I shall not die I am in everybody in me विश्व चेतना the whole universe is in me I am in the whole universe this is विश्व चेतना and this is Swami Vivekananda he preached this ideology in America and Europe in the Chicago World Parliament meeting also he emphasized on this that you are all children of immortal bliss Amritasya Putra They are all children of immortal bliss. And Swami Vivekananda has said about education also. Education is the manifestation of perfection which is already in man. Which is already in man. The perfection is already in us. Even inside a child also there is perfection. Knowledge does not come from outside. It is there. Only the beauty of the teacher is that he will remove the, he or she will remove the impediments, obstacles in this. Learning process, perfection is already there in everybody else. That is what Swami said. All the power is within you. You can do anything in everything. Believe in that. Don't think that you are weak. So, Swami Vivekananda has told about 4 yogas, 4 methods. Karma yoga, Yoga, Raja Yoga, and Jnana Yoga. What is Karma Yoga? Without any attachment to the fruits of the work, or without any attachment to the work, selfless work, without any selfish motive. Unselfish work is Karma Yoga. The degree of unselfishness determines the quality of our work. The work of the Mahapurushas, great men, remember, because they are working unselfish. So we try to be unselfish. It will not be accomplished in a day or two. It will take some time, but we will have focus on it. Karma Yoga. In the Gita also, Lord Krishna has told Arjuna about this Karma Yoga. What is Bhakti Yoga? Unconditional love for God. Unconditional. So do not put any condition. If you give this, I will give you. I will worship you. No, not that. Love for the sake of love. Remembering God, remembering His holy name, remembering His pastimes, His divine qualities comes under yoga. Japa, Kirtana. What is Raja Yoga? Dhamma, Niyama, Asana, Pranayama, Pratyahara, Dharana, Dhyana, Samadhi. Ashtanga Yoga, there is Ashtanga Yoga, it is otherwise known as Raja Yoga. We learn this today. Meditation. And Jnana Yoga is who am I? Am I this body? Am I this mind? Am I this intellect? Am I memory? Or am I ego? Or changing. These things are changing in nature. This body is changing all the time, isn't it? Mind is changing all the time. Our intellect also modified. The intellect at the time of our childhood is not now. It is modified. Changing. I am the changeless. At the time of the childhood also I was there. Adolescence also I was there. The youth also I am there. The same I continue. The same I was there before this body came also. And after this body goes also, it will continue to exist. So that is what I am. So you will ask, what is the benefit of knowing this? The benefit is that you will overcome all the sorrows and you will have unlimited happiness. Unlimited happiness. So it is our nature is that. Our nature of Swabhava is Satchidananda. Absolute existence, absolute knowledge, and absolute happiness or absolute bliss. That is our nature. But as we misunderstand ourselves, mistake ourselves as the body, not as the cell, we suffer. So that is what Swami says, arise, awake, stop not, till the body means. तो फिर हो रहा है भैया, ओ भैया, ठीक से हो रहा है कि नहीं? Arise, awake, and stop not till the goal is reached. See the goal. The goal is not only to become a teacher or a lecturer or somebody. That is goals in life. That is goals. Different goals for different people. But the common goal is to achieve that, to know the real identity of ourselves. The real identity. That is one with God. So to know God and to know the self is one and the same. That is Jnana. So you are all there different people. A single method will not be applicable to all. These four methods, somebody may like Jnana Yoga, somebody have the interest in Karma Yoga, somebody Bhakti Yoga, somebody Karma Yoga. So anyone's yoga must be attached to all of them. नास्ति बुद्धि युक्तस्य नचा युक्तस्य भाव भगवद्गीता सेकंड कैंटो सिद्ध प्रज्ञा लक्षण में बोलते हैं भगवान कृष्ण नास्ति बुद्धि युक्तस्य one who is not connected with him yoga जो युक्त नहीं है one who is not connected he will not have right intellect or right thoughts so he will not have peace of mind. And one who is not having peace of mind, he cannot be happy. Nasti buddhi rajyutasya nacha yutasya bhavana nacha bhavayata shanti ashantasya kutah. So we must be connected all the time through any of these four ways. You first decide which yoga is your most favorite. Then you take it all the time, most of the time. And rest three you can practice also. So now we will practice this Raja Yoga. Everybody sits there. Apply it right.
एक फोटोग्राफर मारने
अब भैया इधर आइए. Please do not talk among yourself. Discipline must be maintained. And let the eyeballs be raised a little. तो eyeballs जो है थोड़ा सा ऊपर उठाइए. Eyes close की. Specs जिन्होंने पहने हैं थोड़ा साइड में रख सकते हैं specs. Let the eyeballs be raised and let the eyes be closed and listen to the different sounds. Let the eyes be closed gently. Listen to different sounds. Do not make any judgment or emotional about the sounds. Just listen to them. Different types of sounds. Now take 3 deep breaths and release slowly. 3 deep breaths. We'll chant the Guru mantra. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. Everybody. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu. Guru Devo Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Param Brahma. Tasmai Shri Gurave Namah. Now, touch your tip of the tongue on the palate. That's right. And think of your mother. Pay respect to her. Because of her only we have received this body. Now think of your father and pay respect. Now think of the teachers who have taught you anything about spirituality and be grateful to them. Now think of Swami Vivekananda. He looks, how he looks with the turban, his garment, outer garment, and focus on his divine quality one by one. First, fearlessness. Focus on the fearlessness of Swami Vivekananda. Confidence. Extraordinary memory power. A great orator. Great patriot. Spiritual wisdom. Brahmacharya, and feel all those qualities coming to you. Now count from 100 to 1 slowly at about 1 second interval. 100, mentally count. 100, 99, 98, 97, in this way up to 1. Focus on the counting. Let the eyeballs be in the right position. Please do not be in a hurry. Slow counting. This will help you enter into deep meditational state. Do not open your eyes and talk. Hello. What are you doing? Please. Do not open the eyes in the middle.